Penn State University Park is home to about 47,000 students, with approximately 14,000 of these students living on campus. Over 5,000 additional faculty, staff, and other support personnel also spend each day in and around the buildings on the campus as well. Over the past few years, Penn State has made it a priority to be a leader in initiating positive changes in sustainability across many environments and disciplines throughout the campus. A primary focus in this effort is Penn State's expansive recycling program. A part of this effort that affects all Penn State students, faculty, and others is the plastic water bottle recycling program and the alternatives on campus. Annually, Penn State recycles over 200 tons of plastic bottles. That's approximately 7.6 million water bottles. Even though this seems like a large number, many disposable water bottles do not make it to the recycling center. In the United States, only 1/4 of disposable plastic bottles are recycled. Unfortunately, these plastic bottles end up in landfills and are combined with other waste and often end up in our oceans. Once this happens, these plastics re-enter our food supply through the fish and other sea animals that we consume. While many may think they are being healthier by buying bottled water, Aquafina, the primary water sold on campus, is bottled from public water sources, which is basically tap water that undergoes a purifying process. Unlike tap water, bottled water does not contain fluoride, which is necessary for cavity prevention. In addition, many students refill disposable plastic water bottles, which increases the risk of contaminants. Plastic bottles are not meant to be used more than once, because refilling can increase risk of ingesting BPAs, an ingredient that is used in the production of these bottles that contributes to cancer, miscarriages, and diabetes. These water bottle refilling stations are easy to use, with most of them being motion censored when you insert your water bottle underneath. Some stations also indicate the number of disposable water bottles saved. Penn State still needs to do more. With over 52,000 students and faculty on the University Park campus and around 40 refilling stations, they would need to accommodate around 1,300 people per station. For the 14,000 students living on campus, none of these refilling stations exist in the dormitory buildings, where the rate of plastic water bottle usage is very high. Bottled water also is much more expensive than tap water, at about 2,000 times more per gallon. While Penn State has made progress, we need to encourage the increased use of refillable water bottles on campus. Awareness is the key. New students should immediately be notified of this priority. In this effort, we will all need to support the continued expansion of the refilling station program by using these stations as much as possible and resisting the temptation to purchase disposable water bottles. This expansion should prioritize the residence halls where mostly freshmen live, starting better water consumption habits in the early years of attending Penn State, and continue in campus buildings that accommodate the largest number of students and classrooms. This provides Penn State students with the opportunity to make a positive environmental contribution and save a little money, while reducing the likelihood of becoming sick from disposable plastic water bottles. If you don't already have one, buy a reusable water bottle today.